See, without taking holistic angle, we cannot understand its magnanimity. We have to understand that what is its genetic aspect, because we know that whatever our forefathers had, the same thing we are showing. It is not our own. First, let us accept that anything biologically which is there inside our body, nothing is ours. Nothing is ours. Everything we are taking from our ancestors. Our ancestors does not mean the only religious angle, in a religious angle, in a caste angle, in a creed angle, in a gender angle. No, no, no. It's totally different. We should not take like that. What we have to take? We have to take its genetics as it is, because nature has given everything, transmitted everything as an inheritance to the body, who is fit to survive, who's the fittest of the survival and arrival of the survival. So our test, our taking birth in this world itself is a fitness, a permission. We have successfully passed all the examinations, hence we have come to this world. So what we have to do? Anger also is transmitted from generations together to our generation. So don't worry about anger. Anger, when threat is perceived, when disrespectfulness is there, when demeaning is taking place, when threat is perceived, at such juncture, anger is coming into the picture. See, every man is a bipolar in nature. Most of the persons bipolar. Already it is established fact by the science that bipolar nature is there inside human being. He acts in a different way according to situations. So at such junctures, what happens? It runs in the families. So do not blame that person. Sometimes we know that whenever the R&D takes place, it is there in the Western world. We have to agree that. And our people are going after religion and they are going after science. Through science, they have established that DARPP, DARP32, this particular gene is responsible for anger production. This DARPP-32. And we know that different types of misbehaviors are there. All these misbehaviors are linked to the genes. We have to understand. Unless we understand all these things, the anger cannot be controlled. Today the science is saying that the tyrosine, when it is coming in a couplets like TT, or cytosine like CC, when it is in a paired way, the anger is manifested. This is a modern science that we have to understand. It is very clear that you are not taken a birth, or you are not produced it. You have inherited it from the past, from your ancestors. Don't worry. Okay. During taking alcohol also, what happens? During taking alcohol, it is making it is inhibiting all your genetic material temporarily. Because of that, what happens? He speaks as if he is in a euphoria, and he talks in a way, even in a normal way, he won't speak like this. That is the reason. And during that period, when it triggers during the anger, he can do anything. So alcohol has direct link with this thing, anger. And the modern psychologist says there are 3 types of personalities. One personality is that personality which is suspicious in nature. Is always thinks that he's doing like this, doing like that. He's suspicious. He doubts. Doubt is a traitor. Doubt is dangerous. Doubt is useful for his destruction. So doubtful people are suspicious people. These suspicious people, they always creates problems to others and for themselves also. And the second one is emotional and impulsive peoples. They do not control themselves. Their emotions are not under their control. For small things, they come out and they damage others. And they create in such a scene that their impulsiveness works and damages in a large way. And third people are those categories. They are very anxious people and avoidant people. These three categories, if we understand through psychology, and if we address the anger, I think we can address anything, because it is this sector which is necessary for everyone. And here what we have to understand, that it is this psychology, anger psychology, which damages more to himself and less to others. The victim feels that he is a man who thinks that he has damaged other people. No, never. He is damaging his own physiology, his own inside engineering. He is suffering first, then he is damaging others. What is the use of creating anger? So never create anger. You can control it. Modern science is saying you can control the anger. You can construct dams of development through anger. Capture it, make use of it, develop it, and develop yourself. This is how you can develop.